Now we will discuss the structure and format of report. The structure and format of a report may vary depending upon the requirements of the specific report and the preferences of the intended audience. However, the structure and format of the report generally includes the following elements. These are the elements of the report. First is title page, second table of contents, executive summary, introduction, then body, sixth conclusion, references and appendices. We will discuss each of these points one by one. Title page. Title page should include the title of the report, the author's name, date of submission, and any other relevant information such as the name of the organization or department. Next is table of contents. Table of contents provides an overview of the report's structure and lists the sections and subsections in the report. Now the third point is executive summary. It provides a brief overview of the entire report, including the main findings, conclusions, and recommendations. It is generally one page long. Now the format of the report. Next point is introduction. Start your report with an introduction that sets the stage for the rest of the report. Introduction should include some background information on the topic, the purpose of the report, and the scope of the report. Briefly, you have to discuss or describe the methodology used by you to gather data and information for the report. Conclude the introduction with a clear and concise thesis statement. What is the meaning of thesis statement? The thesis statement clearly presents the writer's perspective or position and gives the reader an idea of what to expect in the rest of the report. For example, if you are writing a report on the impact of social media on the mental health, your thesis statement might be: the excessive use of social media has been shown to have negative effects on mental health, including increased rates of anxiety and depression. This thesis statement will naturally show to your reader what they can expect from your report. Now, the next point is body. The body of the report should include all the information that you have gathered and organized. Using your outline as a guide, write the main sections of your report. Each section should focus on a specific topic or the point you want to make. You should use headings and subheadings to make the report easy to read and follow. Make sure that the information presented by you is accurate and reliable. Next, conclusion. Your conclusion should summarize the main findings and provide a clear recommendation or call to action. Seventh point, references. The references section lists all sources cited in the report. Next point is appendices. These appendices include any additional material or data that support the findings of the report. The format of the report should be consistent throughout. That is the font style, size of the font, line spacing, margins, and page numbering. All should be consistent throughout the report. The report should be structured logically with clear headings and subheadings that guide the reader through the content. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.